As I said, the old piece is little bit defective. It is always to check the parts before you place, whereas the groove cut is not fully provided on this side and this side also. This side is little bit deviation is there, but this side it is okay, but I don't want to use this piece. But this is the original piece of this is API. This is API. See the standard. This is very old one, near about 45 years old. I ordered and the part has come. These are all the, this is the spring which goes inside this hole, and all these are same. This is Cull parts. Cull means Kerala Automobiles Limited. All these are Guru, the very good parts in India. Earlier I am using this spring. Now I received this. It is little bit looking bigger. If you can see the difference, little bit bigger. We must always use the exact spare. See, this is the new one. See, this is the old one. I am talking about the old one. I am saying roughly near about below 31 mm. But whereas if you check the latest one which I ordered is near about 34 plus. So this is the difference, little bit bigger. So if we use the bigger one, that will be fine. Actually earlier the spring which was made by Innocenti was short. Later on the length of the spring increased, and you can check. This is the new one I received. This is fantastic. There is no problem. Threading and everything is fine. This is the old one. This is the original one. This is see, on the particular part here, the grooves are all around, whereas this groove, whereas on the new one there is no groove at this particular part here. It is of API 1. It is API. It is the original piece. If there is no proper lubrication in the gearbox, there will be a wear out of this part, but it will not be visible. Then you have to go for the new one. Why? Because when you particularly check the diameter and all everything, then only you will come to know, and you can find the differences in deviations in dimensions. So if you have any further doubt, it is better to place the new part. This is the new one. It's a fine, fantastic. There is no problem. This is the spring. See, it is little bit bigger. It is coming on both the sides. Whereas if I place the small one, see, it is less. Actually, the ball size must be 7.97 mm. Before you place this, you must check whether the ball is going. Yes, this is the accurate size. Yes, this must be like this, free. When you place the ball, it must go freely. When I place, yes, it must go like that. See, it's going. Basically what I want to say is that whenever you build the engine, you have to thoroughly check the parts. This is very, very important. Please keep in mind. I hope this video is useful. Let us meet again.